Hello, this is my first time making a tutorial video. So today, I will be teaching you how to invite people who reacted on your page. Again, it's important to always invite people who didn't follow your page so that they will be notified that they should also follow your page. This is just a quick tutorial. Just go to the left side menu of your page, then select Meta Business Suite. Once you click, it will redirect you to the new interface of Meta Business Suite. Fun facts, by the way, this is called Facebook Creator Studio before. And now, drag down your mouse and find Grow Your Audience menu. Below it, you can see the Contact New People. Now you can click the Send Invitations. Once you click this, click the Choose Reactions. Then mark check on the reactions that you would like to invite. Once you're done, click Send Invitations. Take note, you can do this trick to increase your follower. And reminder, only 1,000 people who reacted to your video or post that you can invite every day. So that's it. That's how you can increase your followers every day. Invite people to comment and react to your videos. Hope this helps you guys. Follow for more tips.